Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to rotate an image using Windows 11 Photos. Now this is the program that comes on your Windows 11 machine, and the same program comes on Windows 10. It just has a little different interface, but I think once you watch this video you'll understand a very small difference between what you're seeing and what actually is happening on the computer, and that will help you to differentiate if you run into a situation like this on Windows 10. We have here an image that I got from a free Photos website. I got it from pexels.com, and I'll have the URL in the description to give proper credit. Let's say you want to use this image, so you open it in Windows Photos and you like the image but you want it to be rotated 90 degrees. What the inclination is just to click the rotate button and then rotate the image and then close the program, and then Windows kindly shows you that the image has been rotated. However, I'm going to demonstrate to you why that's not actually the case, and I'm going to use two other programs, and what you'll find is when you go to open this in another program, say to use the image, it hasn't really been rotated. So if I right click this and I open it with, say, LibreOffice Draw, which handles photos, you'll see that the image is not rotated. It's still like it was at the beginning. Now this can be confusing because Windows is telling you that the image is rotated, but is it really? Well, to answer the question, let's let GIMP tell us. If I open this same image with GIMP, it will tell us what's going on. Now it's not going to explain everything, but it's going to ask us a question that reveals to us what's happening. So when I try to open that image with GIMP, it says, oh, wait a minute, this image contains EXIF orientation metadata. So this is information that's not part of the image, but it's information about the image. And then GIMP asks us, would you like to rotate the image? So it's saying, do you want to open the image in the rotated state, or do you want to open the original? And so it lets you pick. Now I'm not gonna open it. Well, it'll open it, but I'm not gonna choose. I'm just gonna close this and then convert the color data, and you see that it keeps the original. Now that we know what's going on, it's easy to understand that Windows doesn't rotate the image when we open it in Photos and click rotate and then close the program. It just adds orientation metadata. But if we open this image in Windows Photo and we do this a little different, it will change the image. So instead of just rotating it and closing the program, if you click this edit button and you edit the image, now we're not just adding metadata, we're changing the image file. So if I click rotate 90 degrees in the edit and then I save a copy, or you can save over the top of the old one, there's another option. I'll show that to you here in a minute, but right here I'm just going to add rotated to the beginning of the image name and then close it. It will actually save that image in the rotated state. And now if you open this with LibreOffice Draw, you'll see that it opens it in the rotated state. And if you open it with GIMP, GIMP will not have any question at all what's going on with the image. It will know to open it in the rotated state because there's no metadata that is being added to the file. It has been saved with all the information that a program needs to open it. Now you can open this and make the change like I mentioned a moment ago. I can rotate this and then I can click this little drop down and just save over the top of the old one, and it will do the same thing. It just won't make a copy. Hopefully that helps you to understand why that happens and what's really going on the computer and with the files. Because each program handles it differently, it can be hard to figure out what's actually happening. But there are some programs like GIMP that will give you more information or ask for more information that kind of shines some light on what's going on inside your computer. I hope that helps, and thanks for watching.